Buying a house sounds simple until you're in the middle of it. You're juggling showings, offers, inspections, deadlines, and suddenly you realize one wrong move can cost you the house or thousands of dollars. I see it all the time. Buyers who are completely ready but still feel overwhelmed or miss out simply because they didn't understand the process. So in this video, I'm walking you through exactly how to buy a home in Bowling Green, Kentucky, step by step, so you can go into this confident, prepared, and in control. If we haven't met yet, I'm Nikki Adams, a realtor here in Bowling Green. I help buyers navigate this every single day. So let's break it down. Step 1 is your pre-approval. Before you look at a single home, get pre-approved. Not the quick online estimate, a real pre-approval from a real lender who actually reviews your finances. Here's why this matters. It shows you your actual budget, not a guess, and it tells you what loan product you qualify for, your real down payment, and your true monthly payment, not those online numbers that are usually off. And it shows sellers that you're serious, which matters a lot, especially in competitive price points here in Bowling Green. A strong pre-approval can be the difference between winning the home or losing it. Step 2, define your goals. Before jumping into showings, get clear on what you want. Your budget, your location, your must-haves, your nice-to-haves, your timeline. Because here's the truth, no home checks every box. But when you know your priorities, you make faster and better decisions. And in Bowling Green, that matters because the right homes don't always last long. Step 3, start your search. Now comes the fun part, looking at homes. You'll start touring, comparing, and really seeing what your budget gets you. And this is where things usually shift. Sometimes you upgrade your expectations, and sometimes you adjust your location, and that's completely normal. But here's what I tell my buyers. If a home feels right and checks your boxes, don't wait too long, because I've seen too many buyers miss the right home just from hesitation. Step 4, make an offer. When you find the one, it's time to make an offer. This includes your price, your terms, your timeline, and any concessions that are important to you. This is where strategy comes in. Some homes here move fast and some sit, and you need to know the difference. My goal for you is simple: win the home without overpaying. Step 5, inspections. Once you're under contract, you'll schedule an inspection. This is where you fully evaluate the home from top to bottom, and after that, you can negotiate repairs and ask for credits or move forward as is. Every home has something. The goal is to make sure that there are no surprises. Step 6 is appraisal and final approval. Now your lender orders the appraisal and your loan goes through underwriting. During this time, don't make any big purchases. Don't open new credit, don't change jobs, and respond quickly to your lender. Quick tip, do not buy a car during this process. I promise it happens more than you think. Step 7 is your final walkthrough. Right before closing, you'll do a final walkthrough. You're checking that everything looks right and repairs are done and nothing has changed. It's your final check before the home is officially yours. Step 8 is closing day. Closing day is the finish line. You sign your documents, you pay your closing costs, and you get your keys. And just like that, you're a homeowner. Buying a home is a process, but it doesn't have to feel overwhelming. When you understand the steps and have the right guidance, everything becomes a lot more manageable. If you're thinking about buying in Bowling Green and want a clear game plan based on what your goals and budget are, use the link below. I'd love to help you navigate this from start to finish. And if you want more videos on buying, selling, and living in Bowling Green, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one.